Fire smoke detectors with email notifications. Are there any fire smoke detectors that can send an email notification when activated? I don't want mobile phone notifications, only email. It's not important if it meets any fire safety regulations, as it won't be replacing my fixed fire alarm system. It's just to notify me via email when I'm out. Question from user B7031719 at Stack Exchange. Answer. Look toward hobbyist install security systems. These usually at least have a test mode in which notifications go only to you rather than the central office, and some which integrate with home automation can be configured to send events even if the security side of things is completely disabled. If one of those offers integrated smoke detectors, that would go what you want. Alternatively, some smart speakers have a mode that listens for things that sound like fire or CO2 alarms and can send notifications. Might be worth investigating. Answer from user Keshlam at Stack Exchange.